This is the Microsoft Surface Pro 11, and Microsoft says it's not just another laptop, it's the beginning of the AI PC era. A tablet, a laptop, and supposedly your smartest computer yet. But after using this as my daily driver for work, editing, browsing, and even couch Netflix sessions, I discovered something surprising. It might actually be the closest Microsoft has ever come to perfecting the Surface idea. But there's one big catch you absolutely need to know before buying. Microsoft Surface Pro 11 Product Overview. The Microsoft Surface Pro 11, released in May 2024, is Microsoft's latest flagship Copilot Plus 2-in-1 PC, designed for professionals, students, and creators who want laptop power and an ultra-portable tablet form factor. The headline upgrade? Microsoft ditched Intel, at least for the consumer model, and moved to Qualcomm's Snapdragon X Plus and X Elite chips, bringing ARM architecture to Windows in a serious way. Starting around $999, this device promises better battery life, quieter performance, and built-in AI features, all wrapped inside the iconic Surface design. Microsoft Surface Pro 11 Performance. The new Snapdragon X Elite processor is genuinely fast. In real-world use, juggling Chrome tabs, Slack, Microsoft 365, and light photo editing, everything feels instant. Apps launch quickly, switching between tasks is smooth, and the device stays completely silent because there's basically no aggressive fan noise. Reviewers found performance competitive with modern Intel chips and even comparable to Apple's M-series laptops in many workloads, which is a massive leap for Windows on ARM. Battery life is another highlight. I consistently got close to a full workday, roughly 10 to 12 hours depending on brightness and workload, which lines up with independent testing results. But it's not all perfect. Some older apps still rely on emulation, and while Microsoft's Prism emulator works surprisingly well, certain software either runs slower or doesn't run at all. Features and tech. Let's talk about the standout features, and more importantly, why they matter. First, the OLED display option. This 13-inch 120Hz panel is gorgeous. Colors pop, blacks are truly black, and scrolling feels buttery smooth. That higher refresh rate means everything from web browsing to stylus writing feels more responsive. Second, Copilot Plus AI features. The Surface Pro 11 includes a powerful NPU designed for AI tasks like live captions, image generation, and on-device assistance. The idea is faster AI without draining battery. Right now, though, many reviewers agree these features feel more like previews of the future than must-have tools today. Third, the Flex Keyboard and Slim Pen 2. This combo transforms the device from tablet to laptop instantly. The keyboard feels sturdier than older type covers, and inking is still best in class for note-taking and digital art. Finally, Wi-Fi 7 and USB 4 support, meaning faster connectivity and serious external monitor capability. Great if this is your only computer. Design and build. Aesthetically, Microsoft absolutely nails the design. The Surface Pro 11 keeps that signature magnesium chassis, thin, rigid, and premium without feeling fragile. At under 2 pounds, it's incredibly portable, and the built-in kickstand remains one of the smartest designs in computing. The only downside, lap usability still isn't perfect. On a couch or airplane tray, it can feel slightly unstable compared to a traditional laptop, a long-standing Surface compromise. Battery life. Battery life is arguably the biggest upgrade here. Thanks to ARM efficiency, the Surface Pro 11 lasts significantly longer than previous Intel-based Surfaces, often hitting around 12 hours in web browsing tests. That means fewer charger hunts during travel and real all-day productivity, something Windows laptops historically struggled with. Pros. Excellent performance with Snapdragon X Elite. Fantastic battery life for a Windows device. Best-in-class stylus and note-taking experience. Cons. Some apps still struggle on ARM. Keyboard and pen sold separately. Final verdict. If you're a student, Remote worker, digital note-taker, or frequent traveler, the Surface Pro 11 is honestly one of the most versatile computers you can buy right now. It's lightweight, fast, quiet, and finally delivers battery life that feels modern. If you live inside Microsoft 365, browsers, creative apps like Photoshop, or general productivity tools, this is an easy recommendation. But if you rely on specialized Windows software, heavy gaming, or legacy applications, you may want to stick with an Intel or AMD laptop until ARM compatibility fully matures.